Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the counting animation like this, and it's kind of counting to the endlessly. How to create this animation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is Grok AI, and this will be the home page. And if you'd like to access it, then don't forget to do the login first with your email or the X account, and after that this will be the look. And after that you can go to this imagine, and after that you can start to put your prompt into this section, and also make sure that you already activated the tools or the section like this. If you'd like to create the image, so you can click this image. However, if you'd like to create the video or the animation, so you can click this video, and also don't forget to choose the aspect ratio over here like this. And usually for this Grok AI will give you 5 seconds video each of them, and after that you can continue to click this send or generate, and after that it will direct you into this section, and kindly wait for the maybe 1 minute, and also make sure that your connection is good. So this will be the animation we have, and after that you can start to download it, and it will be officially saved into your device. And you can also actually will have the sample of another result like this. And if you would like to make one of this picture to be the animation, so you can click this make a video and kindly wait, and after that it will be changed into the video or animation like this. So that's all guys. Don't forget to try this Grok AI to create your animation. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.